Hi everybody, Minnesota Shooter here, doing a video response to Deficit's Armory or Deficit Crew. He has a contest going on. I just stumbled across somebody else's channel, and it's a pretty awesome contest. He's giving away a handgun, a stun gun, a switchblade style pocket knife, and maybe a box of ammo if you do a video response. That's pretty awesome. Now, I started this contest to reach 100 subs, and he is now at 642. That is pretty phenomenal. That's a lot of fucking subs. Holy shit. Okay, so his question, or his contest, is around what is your favorite gun and why? So, thought about it for a little bit, and I finally decided on a couple different ones. Got my Beretta 9mm, I love, but not my favorite. I got my Smith & Wesson M&P, I love. If only the ammo was much cheaper. I love that gun. But my favorite gun of all time will probably have to be my almost dropped 20 Ruger 1022. I've had it since I was 15 or 16 when my mom first bought it for me. It has a lot of miles on it and it functions like a champ. It obviously has a aftermarket stock on it that I've thrown on there. ATI stock, folding over, comfy pistol grip. It is a blast to shoot. I've probably put more than that, at least 5,000 rounds through this thing, and I haven't had to replace a single part because of wear or malfunction. Just did the stock because I enjoy the look of this one. Next to change on it is this scope. This Tasco scope is, quite frankly, pretty crappy. Can't be too upset about it because I only paid like $15 for it, I think, after tax. So can't hate on it that much, but it is pretty not good. So there's my favorite gun of all time that I own right now. That might change in years to come, but that's it.